Hi guys, and welcome back to another Tech Minds video. So if you're interested in off-grid comms, sending messages to friends and family without any cost or the use of the internet, then Meshtastic is probably something you have either heard of or is something that you need to learn about. Now this device, the Sense Cap indicator from Seed Studio, is a fairly new product, and this will be able to run a new special TFT supported version of the Meshtastic firmware. Now, before we take a look at that, let's just take a quick look at the hardware. Now, you get a USB to USB-C cable in the box. Now, this is to be used to power the indicator or upload new firmware. There's no internal batteries, so it needs to be plugged into a power source for it to work. However, as this is designed as a desktop unit, having a battery, well, you kind of just have it plugged into a computer or even a phone charger. Now you get an antenna, which will be designed to be used with the LoRa frequency for your region. Here in the UK, we use 868 MHz for LoRa transmissions. Now the indicator itself has a 3.96-inch capacitive touch color screen, and it has a resolution of 480 by 480. There's one touch button on the top, an SMA socket on the right side, and on the underside, there's a USB-C socket. Now on the back, there's another USB-C socket, which appears to work just the same as the bottom USB socket does. There's also a nice little pull-out stand, so it sits nicely on the desk. Now either side of that rear USB-C port, there's a Grove ADC port for connecting modules like temperature sensors, and then the other side, there's a Grove IIC socket where you can connect modules like an external GPS receiver. Now they don't come with the indicator as standard, but you can order them as an optional extra for not much money. Now the indicator supports both ESP32 and RP2040 platforms. However, the current firmware, at least from Meshtastic, is based on ESP32. Now I must stress that this Meshtastic firmware that you can see on the screen now, running on the indicator, is currently work in progress. There's no official release for this firmware as of yet, and currently not all features and functions are working. However, it does look really cool. It's a really nice UI, and using the touchscreen makes it feel like you're just using the Meshtastic app on a mobile device. Sending messages from the indicator to other Meshtastic nodes can all be performed on the indicator itself due to a pop-up screen. Now this example here, I have my iPhone connected via Bluetooth to a LilyGo TDEC just out of shot of the camera, but sending and receiving messages between the TDEC and the indicator can be seen here. Now don't get too excited just yet, because personally I'm unsure when this firmware will be released. However, if you know what you're doing, you can actually compile the firmware yourself so that you can test out the bleeding edge firmware for the indicator. Now I'll also have a link to a web page where you can read a discussion on how to compile this yourself, and actually it's not that hard to do. You don't even have to install any software onto your computer, as you can do it all online. Now, Bluetooth doesn't appear to work with this new TFT UI firmware just yet, but that's not a limitation of the device. It's most likely Bluetooth support has not been added to the Meshtastic indicator TFT UI firmware just yet. For now though, the official released firmware for the indicator is available and can be flashed to the indicator directly from the online flasher tool. Bluetooth and Wi-Fi is fully supported, and you can use your mobile device just as you would with any other Meshtastic node that you've seen before. Now GPS and other sensors are also supported, but as mentioned earlier, they just plug into the rear of the indicator in the ports next to that USB-C socket. Now the Seed Studio is pretty feature rich in terms of what hardware is included inside, with its large color touchscreen, ESP32 and RP processor support, available flash and support for external modules, plus an option to install an SD card for further storage. The indicator can not only be used with Meshtastic, but also a whole range of IoT services such as Apple Home, Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and of course the Sense Cap network. Now third-party project integration is also possible, including public area air quality monitoring, ChatGPT, asset monitoring, on-site alarms, sensor hub, and even a digital photo album. Now the possibilities are pretty endless given the included hardware, So it's just down to your imagination and obviously your skill level at making these applications. Anyway, guys, let me know down in the comments what you think of this. I'll leave a link to everything that I've talked about in this video, including where you can buy it from, which is directly from Seed Studio. And at the time of making this video, the indicator only costs around $35. So it's a definitely cheap investment. Anyway, guys, thanks very much for watching. Until the next video, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the next one.